She almost had it once. There you go. Come on, come on, you can do it. Jump. There you go. All right. Climb. Come on. Almost had it. Yeah, get your energy up. There you go. Climb. Come on. There you got it. Oops. Almost. Try again. It's funny because I've never actually seen him do this before. There we go. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, get up. Try again. You can do it. You almost had it. Because I don't like this wind. Yeah, work up the energy. Come on. Come on, climb. There you go. I think he's going to get it this time. Go, Pepper. Go, don't let go. Go, Pepper. Whoops, almost. That was close. There we go. Come on, come on. There we go. We got it. Good. Well then.